Breakfast is a great way to start your day. But if your breakfast lacks the proper nutrients, which include fiber, protein, and healthy fat, your breakfast could leave you feeling hungry and exhausted throughout your morning. Many breakfast foods such as donuts, pastries, and pancakes are laden with saturated fat and sugar, and contain little protein or fiber. This video talks about 10 delicious and nutritious foods to add to your morning diet. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a simple and highly nutritious breakfast choice.
Eggs are full of vitamins A, D, and B12.
2 large eggs also contain more than 50% of the choline you need each day, making them one of the best sources of choline, which is a vital nutrient for brain and liver health. Choline is also essential for fetal growth development. That makes eggs extremely healthy for pregnant women. Eggs are also an excellent source of protein, and since protein takes a while to digest, it also helps keep you feeling full for a longer amount of time. Nearly everything in our bodies requires protein to function properly, including our skin, blood, muscles and bones. Additionally, egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help prevent eye disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. Some people think that eggs are unhealthy because of the amount of cholesterol they contain. However, research has shown that the dietary cholesterol from eggs has only a minor impact on bad cholesterol in the blood. It also reduced waist circumference, weight, and body fat. The average healthy adult can eat 1 to 3 eggs a day. For a breakfast that's full of fiber and lean protein, try making scrambled eggs on whole grain toast with sliced tomato or a spinach broccoli mushroom omelet. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is another excellent source of protein to eat in the morning. Greek yogurt is thick and creamy and contains more protein than regular strained yogurt. Its high protein content, combined with its calcium content, helps maintain muscles and bone health. In addition, it's lower in calories than other protein sources. 1 cup serving contains 25 grams of protein, and only 149 calories. Greek yogurt is full of beneficial nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. Many versions get fortified with vitamin D. Certain types are good sources of probiotics like bifidobacteria, which support a healthy gut and immune system. To make sure that your yogurt contains probiotics, look for the phrase, "contains life and active cultures," on the label. It's also a great choice if you're aiming for lower sugar breakfast but still like a sweet flavor in the morning. Just top your Greek yogurt with berries, or chopped fruit to add more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 3. Coffee. Approximately 85% of Americans drink coffee on a regular basis, and for good reason. It's high in caffeine, a molecule that promotes alertness, improves mood, and increases physical and mental performance. Notably, many athletes drink coffee as a natural pre-workout beverage to support sports performance. It also contains other beneficial compounds, such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and diterpenes, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The U.S. Department of Agriculture's 2020 to 2025 nutritional guidelines says that coffee is good for you. A daily cup of black coffee may help you reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, according to the Harvard Medical School. In fact, regular coffee intake is associated with many health benefits, such as a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, liver disease, Parkinson's, and certain types of cancer. Most studies suggest that 1 to 3 cups per day, containing about 300 to 400 milligrams of caffeine, provide these benefits. Although this amount is safe for adults, you should limit yourself to 300 milligrams or less of caffeine per day, if you're pregnant. It is best to drink your coffee black or with dairy or plant-based milk. Try to use sugar sparingly, or avoid it altogether, as too much sugar poses other health risks. Number 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast option made from rolled or steel-cut oats, which contain a unique fiber called beta-glucan. This soluble fiber not only helps reduce cholesterol levels, but also promotes feelings of fullness by delaying stomach emptying, and triggering the release of peptide E, a fullness hormone that may prevent overeating. Oatmeal contains complex carbohydrates and fiber, which help keep your blood sugar in control. Oats are also a good source of iron, B vitamins, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. They also contain plant-based protein. To boost the protein content, make oatmeal with milk instead of water, mix in some protein powder, or serve it with a side of eggs. Flavors like cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, vanilla, honey, brown sugar, and turmeric are great flavor enhancers with health-promoting properties. It is important to note, however, that how oatmeal is prepared will determine its benefits in your breakfast. Loading oatmeal with sugar, butter, and creams will increase its calorie density and negate many of the positive nutrients it should provide to your body. Adding nutrient-dense fruits and protein-rich nuts can make oatmeal a hearty, filling, and nutritious breakfast. Number 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are extremely nutritious and a great source of fiber. Just 1 ounce provides an impressive 10 grams of fiber per serving. A portion of this fiber is soluble, meaning that it absorbs water, and increases the volume of food moving through your digestive tract, helping you feel full. These seeds' high soluble fiber may likewise help stabilize blood sugar levels and support heart health. The high antioxidant content also protects cell damage from unstable molecules called free radicals. You can crush and sprinkle chia seeds on sandwiches, toast, or oatmeal, or better still, make a smoothie out of it, to supplement your healthy breakfast. Want to know the recipe? Here it is. 1 ounce of dried chia seeds. 1 scoop of whey protein powder. 1 cup of coconut milk or almond milk. Half cup of berries. Combine all ingredients in a bowl, and mix well. Cover the bowl, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. And your smoothie is served. Number 6. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are an excellent way to start your morning. They are delicious, low in calories and high in fiber, which promotes fullness. Berries are also packed with disease-fighting antioxidants, called anthocyanins, which provide their characteristic blue, purple, and red colors. A diet high in anthocyanins can help fight inflammation, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, anthocyanins are associated with better brain health, and may protect against age-related mental decline. Why not top your cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt with berries for a more delicious breakfast, or blend them into smoothies? Number 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a fantastic high-protein breakfast item, packing an impressive 24 grams of protein per cup. In fact, one study found cottage cheese to be as filling and satisfying as eggs. Cottage cheese is also low in calories, therefore, it may support weight loss without leaving you feeling hungry. You can eat cottage cheese with many other nutritious foods, such as berries, peaches, tomatoes, cucumbers, chia seeds, flax seeds, or granola. Number 8. Nuts and nut butter. Nuts of all types are high in magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. They're also a great source of antioxidants. If a person does not eat animal products, eating nuts is another excellent way to get enough protein. Brazil nuts are one of the best sources of selenium. Just 2 Brazil nuts provide more than 100% of the daily value of selenium. Furthermore, nuts high in protein, fat, and fiber contents promote fullness, which may aid weight management. Nut intake is also linked to better heart and brain health. One study associated eating peanuts and tree nuts 2 or more times per week, and walnuts 1 or more times per week, with a 13 to 19% reduced risk of heart disease. Topping Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal with a spoonful or 2 of chopped nuts is a great way to increase your breakfast nutritional value. Nut butter is very versatile. People can spread nut butter on whole grain toast, mix it into oatmeal, or yogurt, or use it as a dip for fresh fruit. These include peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, unsweetened cocoa, and hazelnut butter. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Just 1 medium-sized sweet potato provides almost 400% of your daily vitamin A need. Its orange flesh is also rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, and is crucial for immunity. A single sweet potato also contains 15% of our daily recommended fiber intake, which can lower bad cholesterol levels, and boost your digestive health. Use sweet potato as a swap for your usual morning bread, bagel, or muffin, and top it with eggs or avocado. Number 10. Banana. Bananas are a quick and convenient addition to a nutritious breakfast. They also make a good mid-morning snack to keep hunger at bay. Bananas contain resistant starch. The body does not digest resistant starch, so it travels through the body unchanged, which helps support digestive health. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which may support healthy blood pressure in some people. Their folate and vitamin B6 aids in the production of serotonin, which can help improve mood and reduce anxiety. Bananas are great with nut butter, or sliced on top of oatmeal or cereal. Banana is a really great fruit with many nutritional benefits. Want to know about these amazing benefits? Then, click on the video on screen now. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this.